Hi friends, this is Manikanta Prasanna Kumar. Welcome to my channel Maths with Money. You can follow me on my Facebook page Maths with Money. Regarding myself, I cleared RRB NTPC and also SSC CGL, and I have selected as Customs Inspector in CGL 2017.
Friends, now this is the second video on SSC CGL 2019 mains questions explanation on algebra. Okay, so it is the part 2. In the first part we already discussed 10 questions and we have only 9 questions remaining out of 90. So in this video we will discuss the remaining 9 questions which are asked in the SSC CGL 2019 on the topic algebra. Okay, so let's start the video. But before starting of this video, we will remember or we will revise some of the formulas of algebra, that is algebraic identities. Okay, like a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. I hope all of you know this. Similarly, a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And similarly, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to how much? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If I take minus here, then here also all are minus. Yes, similarly we have another formula, a plus b plus c whole square, that is equal to how much? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, this is another formula. And we have most important formula in algebra regarding identities is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is the most important formula. What is that? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. It is also equal to a plus b plus c by 2 into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Yes or no? And I have to write down this formula in another terms. That is very important, because in the recent times you are getting this type of question. It is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab is equal to a plus b plus c into, okay, a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square minus 3 times of ab plus bc plus ca. Most important. Why it is most important? Because in the exams what is given? A plus b plus c is given for suppose it is k, and ab plus bc plus ca suppose it is l, and a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to for suppose m. Then the formula is m is equal to k into 1 minute, k into k square minus 3 into l. Out of these 3 variables you will have 2 variables and you have to find out another variable. Okay, you may give the in the question there are the values of a plus b plus c and ab plus bc plus ca, and you have to find out this question, this one. Or in the exam you may have these two, a plus b plus c and a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, and you have to find out this. Okay, because recent exams you are asking these type of identities. Okay, that's why you have to revise these identities also. And we have some other identities also. What are those identities? Like x plus 1 by x is given as for suppose a. Then what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? It is equal to a square minus 2. And what is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? It is equal to a cube minus 3a. And what is the value of x minus 1 by x? How do you find out x minus 1 by x? It is equal to a square minus 4. Yes or no? Because a square means x plus 1 by x whole square plus 2. That is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 minus 4. That is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 means x under root is x minus 1 by x. Yes, whenever here plus is given, these are the values. First, suppose if you have minus here, that means x minus 1 by x is a, then what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? It is equal to a square plus 2. And what is the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube? If I know the value of x minus 1 by x, then only I can find out the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. Yes, what is the value? A cube plus 3a. And if x minus 1 by x is a, then what is the value of x plus 1 by x? It is equal to a square plus 4 under root. Okay, these type of models or formulas we already discussed in the identities. If anybody has doubt, please watch those videos which are already available in my channel. Okay, and some other formulas like x plus 1 by x is equal to 1. Then what is the value of x cube? Minus 1. If it is minus 1, if it is plus 1, then x cube is minus 1. If it is minus 1, if it is minus 1, then what is the value of x cube? Plus 1. Similarly, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then definitely what is the value of x? 1. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, root 3, then what is the value of x square? Sorry, x power 6, it is equal to minus 1. Okay, so these type of models which we already discussed. Okay, so please revise all these formulas. If you know all these formulas already, then it is very easy to solve the previous questions in a quick way or quicker time. Okay, we have so many short tricks to solve the problems, and we have specific methods also. To solve some problems, we have to approach the same method, or you have to approach the way which I am doing the problem. Same నేను ఎలా చేస్తున్నానో అలానే చేయాలి. కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కి కొన్ని షార్ట్ ట్రిక్స్ ఉంటాయి, సో అవి కూడా అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో నౌ లెట్స్ గో టు ది మెయిన్ వీడియో ఆఫ్ ది algebra previous questions. Let's see the 11th one. If x minus 1 by x is equal to 5 and x not equal to 0, then what is the value of x to the power of 6 plus 3 to the power 3 into x cube minus 1 by x to the power of 6 minus 8x cube minus 1? And the options are 13 by 12, 11 by 13, 3 by 8 and 4 by 9. So if you observe clearly here, what is the value given? X minus 1 by x, which is given as 5. From this value, I can easily find out the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. Yes or no? So what is that value? A cube plus 3a. Yes, 5 cube plus 3 into 5. Yes, that means 125 plus 15 means 140. Tell me one thing, x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to 140 means take LCM, x cube into x cube, x power 6 minus 1 is equal to how much? 140 x cube. That means the value of x to the power of 6 minus 1 is 140 x cube. In the question also you have in the numerator and in the denominator you have x to the power of 6 minus 1, x to the power of 6 minus 1. So 140 x cube plus 3 x cube, that is 143 x cube. 140 x cube minus 8 x cube, that is 132 x cube. So x cube cancel. 11 ones 11 threes, 11 ones 11 twos. So 13 by 12 is the correct answer. Which option it is? First option is the correct answer. Very simple thing. But here you have to know which value you have to find out. From the value of x minus 1 by x, you can find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square, x cube plus 1 by x cube minus 1 by x cube also. But why I find out this value? Because here x to the power of 6 minus 1 is there. Clear? Let's see the next one, that is 12th. See the 12th one. The question is, the value of 7 plus 3 root 5 by 3 plus root 5 minus 7 minus 3 root 5 by 3 minus root 5 lies between. Here the options are 2 and 2.5, 3 and 3.5, 1.5 and 2 and 2.5 and 3. So first you have to find out this simplified value of this problem. Okay, and you have to find out whether the value lies between from what about the extremities of the answer. Okay, so here I have to first rationalize. So 7 plus 3 root 5, or take LCM from this, 7 plus 3 root 5 by 3 plus root 5 minus 7 minus 3 root 5 by 3 minus root 5. 7 minus 3 root 5 by 3 minus root 5. Take LCM and multiply 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5. What is the value? 9 minus 5, that means 4. Yes. And 7 plus 3 root 5 into 3 minus root 5. Multiply each and every value. That is nothing but calculation of two variables multiplying. Okay, 7 into 3, 21. 7 into minus root 5 minus 7 root 5 plus 3 root 5 into 3, that is a 9 root 5, plus into minus 3 root 5 into root 5, that is a 3 into 5, 15, minus 7 into 3 minus 21, 7 into plus root 5, that is minus 7 root 5, minus into minus plus 3 root 5 into 3, that is a 9 root 5, next plus 15. Okay, so tell me which values are cancel out here. 21 21 cancel out, and 15 15 cancel out. So minus 7 root 5 minus 7 root 5, that is 14, and 9 root 5 9 root 5 18, 18 minus 14 4 root 5 by 4. So 4 4 cancel. What is the answer? Root 5. So the simplified value of this is root 5, and you have to tell the value of root 5 lies between what and what. So root 5 means definitely it lies between root 4 and root 9. Yes, that means 2 to 3. Definitely the value of root 5 lies between 2 to 3. But here two options are there. The first option is 2 to 2.5 and second option 2.5 to 3. So tell me the value of 2.5 whole square, 6.25. So but it is root 5. So definitely it lies between 2 to 2.5, because 2.5 whole square is 6.25, which is more than root 5. Yes. So the what is the correct answer? First option is the correct answer for this problem. Clear? Next. See the 13th one. So just simplify it, you will get it. Okay. Yeah, 13. It is also related to surds. If 8 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 3 plus 5 is equal to a root 3 minus b, then the value of a plus b. Here you have to rationalize it. After rationalization, you will get a single surd which is in the form of a root 3 minus b, and find the values of a and b, and sum of the values of a and b. It is the final answer. Okay. So 8 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 3 plus 5. So rationalization, what is the rationalizing factor? 3 root 3 minus 5, 3 root 3 minus 5, 3 root 3 minus 5. Rationalizing factor should be multiplied to the numerator and denominator. So tell me 8 into 3 root 3, 24 root 3, plus 8 into minus 5, 40, and 2 into 3, 6, root 3 into root 3, 3, that is plus 18, minus 10 root 3 by 3 root 3 plus 5 into 3 root 3 minus 5, that is a square minus b square, 27 minus 25, that is 2. Okay. So 24 root 3 minus 10 root 3 is equal to 14 root 3 by 2 means 7 root 3. Yes. Next, 40 minus 40 plus 18 means minus 22 by 2 means 11. So 7 root 3 minus 11 is given as a root 3 minus b. Observe this. 7 root 3 minus 11 is given as a root 3 minus b. Tell me, here the coefficient of root 3 is a. What is the coefficient of root 3? That is 7. So a equal to 7 and b equal to 11. You have to find out a plus b. 11 plus 7 is 18. So what is the correct answer? Option that is A is option A is the correct answer. Is it clear? So just find out the value of or simplified value of this using rationalizing factor, and you can easily find out. Okay. Next one, 14th. 14 చూడండి. That is also simple. X plus 16 by x is equal to 8. Then the value of x square plus 32 by x square. Most important one. And most of the aspirants didn't attempt this problem also. Okay, it is very easy. How do you get that? X plus 16 by x is equal to 8, then the value of x square plus 32 by x square. Most of the people know that. For suppose if it is 64. If it is 64, for suppose, then x square plus 64 by x square is nothing but x plus, if I know the value of x plus 8 by x, I can find out this value because x square means x square, 64 by x square means 8 by x whole square. But what is given? 16 by x. How do you find out that? I don't know. Or for suppose it is 16, then I can write 16 by x square as 4 by x whole square. Okay, but these values are not given. Okay, here the problem is very easy when you know the concept behind this problem. Okay, here please observe this. X plus 16 by x is equal to 8 means if I divide both the values LHS and RHS by 4, for suppose x by 4 and 4 ones 4 fours, that is 4 by x is equal to 8 by 4 means 2. If I take x by 4 as a, then what is 4 by x? 1 by a. So a plus 1 by a is 2 means in the initial starting of the video I told you whenever a plus 1 by a is 2, then what is the value of a? 1. That means x by 4 is 1. So what is the value of x? 4. If x is equal to 4, substitute the value of x is equal to 4 in the given question. So tell me what is the answer? 4 square, that is 16, 32 by 16, 61, 16 to 16 plus 2, 18. So what is the answer? Option B. Very simple. Otherwise, by observing this, the given equation x plus 16 by x is equal to 8 is possible only when x is 4, because 4 plus 16 by 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. It is possible when x is 4. If you know directly, then directly you can substitute the value of x as 4 in the question. Otherwise, you have to derive the value of x as 4 with these steps. Okay, so most of the students didn't attempt this problem. Okay, but it is very simple. In the exam, you have to keep in the mind such that not only the models which are like this in this way, that is these models. Okay, not only these models, sometimes these type of models also will come. Okay, please keep in that also in your mind. Okay, next one, let's see the 15th one. If x into 3 minus 2 by x is equal to 3 by x, then the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. How do you find out x cube minus 1 by x cube? If I know the value of x minus 1 by x, then I can easily find out x cube minus 1 by x cube. Yes or no? So what is the given equation? x into 3 minus 2 by x is equal to 3 by x. So multiply x with each term. X into 3, 3x, minus 2 by x into x means minus 2 equal to 3 by x. So 3 by x comes to LHS and 3 take a common. 3 into x minus 1 by x is equal to minus 2 goes to RHS, it is 2. So what is the value of x minus 1 by x? That is 2 by 3. If I know the value of x minus 1 by x as a, what is the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube? A cube plus 3a. So what is the correct answer? 2 by 3 whole cube plus 3 into 2 by 3. 3a. Yes. So tell me the answer. It is equal to 2 by 3 whole cube means 8 by 27 plus 3 cancel 2. So 27 into 2, 54. 54 plus 8, 62 by 27. That is fourth option is the correct answer. Is it clear? So these type of models are already asked in the CGL previous exams also, but not in this type. Okay, in the previous exams are 2018, 17 or 16, directly will give you x minus 1 by x and you have to find out the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. Okay. So friends, చిన్న స్మాల్ బ్రేక్ అనుకోండి దీంట్లోని. బేసిక్గా నేను మెన్సురేషన్ 3Dకి పెయిడ్ కోర్స్ అనేది చెప్పడం జరిగింది, 500 రూపీస్. ఇట్స్ టోటల్ కన్సిస్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ 44 వీడియోస్. ఓకే, ఈ 44 వీడియోస్లో మనకి కాన్సెప్ట్, తర్వాత ఇన్స్క్రైబింగ్ ఫిగర్స్, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఇలా ప్రతిదీ టాపిక్ వైజ్గా డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో మెన్సురేషన్ 3D అనగానే మనకి ప్రిజమ్స్, క్యూబాయిడ్స్, క్యూబ్స్, సిలిండర్స్, పిరమిడ్స్, కోన్స్, స్పియర్స్, హెమిస్పియర్స్, అండ్ రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ సాలిడ్ ఫిగర్ అంటే ఒక సాలిడ్ ఫిగర్ నుంచి కొంత రిమూవ్ చేయడం కానీ కట్ చేయడం కానీ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ టాపిక్స్. రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లో, ఇంక్రీజ్ ఇన్ వాటర్ లెవెల్, రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ ఎర్త్. రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ ఎర్త్ అంటే ఒక దగ్గర మట్టి తీసి ఇంకో దగ్గర వేస్తే ఎంత ఎత్తు పెరిగింది ఇట్లా అంటాడు అనమాట. ఇలాంటి మోడల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మనం ఒక టోటల్ 44 వీడియోస్ లో చెప్పడం జరిగింది. అండ్ టోటల్ 323 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ని మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాం, నియర్లీ 44 అవర్స్. సో ఈ కోర్స్ ఎవరైతే పర్చేజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో వాళ్ళు కిందన స్క్రోల్ అవుతున్న వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్కి మీరు మెసేజ్ చేయగలరు. సో మెసేజ్ చేస్తే మీకు నేను క్లియర్గా ఇన్ డీటెయిల్గా ఎలా కోర్స్ పర్చేజ్ చేయాలని చెప్తాను. అదర్వైజ్ యూ కెన్ వాచ్ ద వీడియో హౌ టు పర్చేజ్ ద కోర్స్ ఆఫ్ 3D మెన్సురేషన్. అలానే సర్కిల్స్ కూడా మనకి కోర్స్ ఉంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ 200 రూపీస్, టోటల్ 20 వీడియోస్. అండ్ దాంట్లో కూడా మనం చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేసాం. ఎవరైతే ఈ కోర్స్ తీసుకుంటారో ఈ కోర్స్లో చెప్పిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కి పీడిఎఫ్ కూడా మీకు విత్ కీ అనేది ఇవ్వబడ్డం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ దీస్ కోర్సెస్ ఆర్ ఎనీ పీడిఎఫ్, యూ కెన్ మెసేజ్ మీ ఇన్ వాట్సాప్. లెట్స్ గో టు ద మెయిన్ వీడియో. Next 16th one, if x square plus 1 by x square equal to 7, then the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. How do you find out x cube plus 1 by x cube? If I know the value of x plus 1 by x, I can easily find out this. Yes, but here the given value is x square plus 1 by x square. From that value you can find out the value of x plus 1 by x. Okay, so x square plus 1 by x square equal to 7. Then I can write this as lower values power, that is x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 is equal to 7. Minus 2 goes to this side, 7 plus 2 9. So x plus 1 by x whole square is 9, means what is the value of x plus 1 by x? Under root 9, that is 3. If I know this value, what is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? 3 cube, that is a cube minus 3a. Yes, so I can easily find out this as 3 cube minus 3 into 3. That is 27 minus 9, that is equal to 18. Which option it is? Fourth option is the correct answer. That's it. Next, 17th. Yeah, this is regarding square root. Finding out the square root of a surd. Here observe, the question is if x is equal to square root of minus root 3 plus square root of 3 plus 8 into square root of 7 plus 4 root 3, where x greater than 0, then the value of x is equal to. Here observe clearly, here first you have to find out the square root of this surd. Next find out the, after finding out the value of square root of that surd, you have to multiply with 8 and add 3. Again finding out the square root of this surd, and after obtaining this value you have to add minus 3, and finally you have to find out the square root of that value. Okay, so first you have to find out 7 plus 4 root 3 square root of this surd. What I told you, always in the irrational part 2 into something will be there. So 4 can be written as 2 into 2, but a 2 root lo gelipothe emutundi 4 into 3. Yes or no? Now 4 into 3 is there in the irrational part of the square root, and 7 can be written as 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is the rational part, and 4 into 3 is the square root part of the irrational part. Okay, so what is the square root of this surd? 4 root 4 plus root 3, because plus is there na, so square root of 4 plus root 3. Square root of 4 means 2 and it is 3. So now the question becomes 8 into 2 plus root 3 plus 3. So you have to find out now second part, square root of 3 plus 8 into 2 plus root 3. Tell me, 8 into 2 16, 16 plus 3 19, plus 8 into root 3. But I have to write down it as 2 into 4. 4 if it goes under root, then 4 square means 16. Already 3 is there, into 3 under root. So now in the under root part of the irrational part, 16 into 3 is there, and 19 can be written as sum of the factors of this value. 16 into 3 is there, here 16 plus 3, because 19 is equal to 16 plus 3. So now tell me what is the square root of this surd? Square root of 16, since here plus is, sorry, here plus is there, plus root 3. So what is the answer? 4 plus root 3. It is not the correct answer, it is not the final answer. What is the final answer? You have to add this 4 plus root 3 to minus root 3. Here total answer is, here the final answer is 4 plus root 3 minus root 3. So root 3 cancel, 4 will be remaining, and you have to find out square root of this value. So square root of 4 is 2. That is first option. Step by step you have to find out the square root of the surds. Here you have to find out the square root of two surds. What are those two surds? 7 plus 4 root 3, and again next value is 19 plus 16 root 3, and sorry, 19 plus 8 root 3. Okay, so if you know very well to find how to find out the square root of surd, then it is very easy. So what is the answer? First option. Clear? So now we'll go to the 18th one. See the 18th. If root x plus 1 by root x is 3, then what is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? Same thing. How do you find out x cube plus 1 by x cube? If I know the value of x plus 1 by x. But what is given? Root x plus 1 by root x. So squaring on both sides. X plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to 3. X a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 3 square means 9. Sorry, 3 square means 9. So what is the value of x plus 1 by x? 9 minus 2, 7. How do you find out x cube plus 1 by x cube? 7 cube, 3a cube minus 3 into a. 7 cube minus 3 into 7. 7 take a common. 49 minus 3, that is 46. So 7, 6, 42, 28, 3, 22. So what is the answer? Option B. Just multiplication and addition and subtraction. That's it. So to find out this value, it is the required thing. So but it is not directly given. The given value is this. From this value you have to find out this value, then find out this value. That's it. Step by step, chain of the formulas, chain things. That's it. I hope all of you understand. Next one, and the last one for this session, that is 19th one. See, yes, x minus 3 by x is 6 and x not equal to 0, then the value of x to the power of 4 minus 27 by x square by x square minus 3x minus 3. Very, very nice problem. At most very easy problem also, if you know the concept behind this. Okay, here first change the question into some required things. Okay, x power 4, the question is, I'll write down here once again, x power 4 minus 27 by x square. 27 means 3 cube, but here x square is there. Yes, so that's why I'll write, I'll take x common. If I write down x common, so from x power 4, if I take x common, x cube will be there, and 27 by x take a common means, so x square becomes x cube because it is in the numerator, denominator. So 27 by x cube means I can write it as 3 by x whole cube. Is it clear? By what is the denominator? What is the denominator? X square minus 3x minus 3. X square, what is the denominator? X square minus 3x minus 3. I can write this as x square minus 3 minus 3x also. Okay, first I'll write down minus 3, next minus 3x. Okay, now observe, the given equation is x minus 3 by x is 6. I can easily find out the cube of this term, x cube minus 27 by x cube. Yes or no? Because it is in the form of a minus 1 by a is equal to something, and you have to find out a cube minus 1 by a cube. So what you have to do? Cubing on both sides. Okay, x cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, 3 into x into 3 by x into, so 3ab into a minus b. A minus b is equal to how much? X minus 3 by 6, 3 by x, 6 is equal to 6 cube means 216. Yes. Next, x cancel. So what is the value of this? It is equal to minus 3 into 6 means minus 54. It goes to RHS plus 54. 216 plus 54 means 270. So now in the numerator, x into, what about this value? X cube minus 27 by x cube, it is equal to 270. Okay, yes or no? 270. Next, what about the denominator? If you clearly observe this, x minus 3 by x is equal to 6 na, take LCM. take LCM x square minus 3 by x is equal to 6 means x square minus 3 equal to 6x. X square minus 3 equal to 6x. So in the denominator, in place of x square minus 3, I'll write down as 6x. 6x minus 3x is equal to how much? 3x. X cancel. X cancel, and 3 ones 3, 90. So what is the answer? 90 is the correct answer. What is the answer? 90. Observe the options. 90 means first option is the correct answer. How simple it is. When you know the concept regarding these models, then only you can solve these models. Otherwise, if you buy out the problems, if you buy out the models, most of the aspirants or by hearting the models, and when some type of model is given, you have to follow this thing. Otherwise we don't know how to solve it. ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీకు ఒకే టైప్ ఆఫ్ మోడల్ రావచ్చు రాకపోవచ్చు, కొత్త మోడల్ ఎప్పుడో ఒకప్పుడు ఇస్తాడు, అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? ఆ మోడల్ రాలేదు కానీ వదిలేయకూడదు కదా. సో కాన్సెప్ట్స్ తెలుసుకోవాలి, అక్కడ ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయడం తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఇట్ విల్ బి అండర్స్టాండ్, అంటే మీకు ఇది ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది అంటే బై ప్రాక్టీస్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. ప్రాబ్లం చూడగానే అండర్స్టాండ్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందంటే అర్థం అవుతుంది, ఎప్పుడు అర్థం అవుతుందంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ ఉన్నప్పుడే అర్థం అవుతుంది. అదర్వైజ్ యూ కాంట్ డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ లెస్ టైమ్. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ వై my sincere request is to practice more number of models, and please watch my videos also on problems, and also on the previous questions explanation, and also practice problems, and also theory concept also. Okay, avi chuste meeku ee problems ani kuda easy ga artham avutayi. Is it clear? So with this I'll conclude this session, and in the coming session we'll solve the trigonometry previous questions, geometry and mensuration also. Okay, all the very best, and please stay home and stay safe. All the very best. Thank you. Jai Hind.